Welcome to JLCPCB, where your PCB and PCBA orders embark on an exciting manufacturing journey. Once your order is received, we spring into action. Every step of our process is designed to ensure you receive the best quality products. The first step is cutting the raw materials. At JLCPCB, we ensure the use of A-grade materials, guaranteeing that every PCB we produce is reliable and performs at its best. Next, we move on to inner layer exposure, developing, and fine line etching. Our fully automated production lines operate efficiently, ensuring precision at every stage. At JLCPCB, every completed step undergoes automatic optical inspection to catch any issues early. Only boards that pass inspection move on to the next stage. Next, we laminate multi-layers using advanced automatic laminating machines. Following that, we perform drilling and copper deposition. We use pulse plating technology for via plating, achieving optimal quality for small vias. Additionally, JLCPCB has mastered advanced via impad technology and has been providing free via impad for 6 to 32 layer boards, reducing your manufacturing costs without extra processing fees. Next is the outer layer processing, followed by a critical 4-wire Kelvin test. This step is crucial for ensuring electrical performance. JLCPCB maintains strict quality control throughout the manufacturing process, and any board that does not meet our standards is promptly reworked. We enhance solder masks using state-of-the-art LDI technology, allowing for more precise alignment and a one-to-one solder mask expansion. Furthermore, our high-definition silkscreen printing also supports multicolor silkscreen, enabling you to better unleash your creativity in your PCB design. Next is the immersion gold process, where JLCPCB provides free unique 2 micro-inches finish specifically for 6 to 32 layer boards. Following this, each board undergoes thorough AVI and flying probe tests, as we maintain strict quality control with a rigorous multi-step inspection process. Now, let's dive into the exciting PCBA process. We prepare laser stencils and have over 560 components in stock, ready for immediate assembly. JLCPCB operates multiple SMT workshops, equipped with 400 placement machines and 200 integrated inspection lines, ensuring quality and timely delivery. Our capabilities allow us to handle up to 288 different components on a single board, with a minimum pitch of 0.35 millimeters, meeting a wide range of assembly needs. Finally, after a rigorous final inspection, your assembled PCBs are carefully packed and shipped. With our efficient logistics, you can expect to receive your order within a week. From design to reality, JLCPCB makes it happen. Together, we are your perfect partner in driving hardware innovation.